This is Standard 5 Maths. Let's move to Chapter 2, second part. Exercise 2.5. Solve the following word problems. Many word problems are there. Let me do few and rest all are asked to do by you all. Number 2. In a city, the total number of population is 6,57,19,374, out of which 2,61,29,189 are men. How many women are there? Here is the solution. In a city, the total number of population is 6,57,19,374. Number of men 2,61,29,189. After subtraction, number of women 3,95,90,185. Therefore, women are 3,95,90,185. Then move to question number 5. By how much 75,02,143 is greater than 35,16,189? Here is the solution. Greater number is 75,02,143. Smaller number is 35,16,189. After subtraction, the answer is 39,85,954. Then come to question number 8. What must be added to 16,46,317 to get 86,13,889? Bigger number 86,13,889, smaller number 16,46,317. After subtraction, number to be added 69,67,572. Then come to exercise 2.6, multiply. Question number 1. Bit number A, 187 multiplied by 30. When you are multiplying, you write 187 by into 30, but multiply 187 by 3, it's coming 561. At last you put 10. Same way, bit number F, 2138 into 90, then multiply 2138 by 9, and at last you put 10. 1,92,420. Then question number 2, again multiply. Bit number B, 5,214 into 400. Multiply 5,214 by 4. Then at last you put 20. 0 never to be multiplied. If at last there are zeros, after multiply you put how many zeros are there. So it's coming 20,85,600. Then bit number F, 46,139 into 100. It's multiply by 1 means same number is coming, at last 20. The answer is 46,13,900. Question number 3, multiply again. Bit number B, 6,129 into 4,000. Multiply by 4 only, and at last 30 you put. Answer is 2,45,16,000. Then come to exercise 2.7. Again find the product number 1. It's question number 1, bit number F, 13,214 multiplied by 106. In middle, if there is 0, you cannot omit 0 to be multiplied, so you multiply by each digit. So by 6 first you multiply, then by 0 means you put from tens place, it is every place is 0. Then multiply by 1 means same number. After addition, the answer is 14,684. Then come to question number 2, again multiply. It's bit number C, 3,415 multiplied by 166. First you multiply 3,415 by 6, then again by 6, but you put from tens place because second 6 is in tens place. Then by 1, put from hundreds place. After addition, the answer is 5,66,890. Then come to exercise 2.8. Solve the following word problems. Question number 2, a factory produces 1,875 toys every day. How many toys will it produce in 2 years? 1 year, 365 days. So you do the solution by writing statement. Every day a factory produces toys 1875. In 2 years 365 into 2 is coming 730 days. So you multiply by 730, then multiply by 73 and by 3 first, then by 7, then at last you put 10. The answer is 13,68,750. So therefore you may write it will produce 13,68,750 toys in 2 years. Then come to question number 3. How many hours are there in a leap year? A leap year 366 days. Hours is asking means 1 day 24 hours. So number of hours equals to 366 into 24. By 4 first you multiply, then by 2, but I had multiplied by 24 because 24 multiplication table is there. So the answer is 8,784 hours. So therefore there are 8,784 hours in a leap year. Then come to question number 6. A bag contains 4 kg 750 gram of weight. How much weight will be contained by 1500 such bags? A bag contains weight equals to, you write kg and g for 750. 1500 such bag contain, don't write 1500, by multiply by 15 only. It's coming 7125. Then in 750 10 and 1500 20. So at last 30. So it's coming 71,25,000 gram, and after converting to kg it's coming 7,125 kg. So therefore is 7,125 kg of weight will be contained by 1500 such bags. Then come to exercise 2.9. Divide that question number 1a, 298 divided by 10. Here is one rule, when divided by 10 there is 1 0. So you see from right side the first digit will be remainder and rest will be quotient. So first digit is 8, that's remainder, and rest is 29, that quotient. Then come to again bit number B, 5,874 divided by 100. Here are 2 zeros. That means first 2 digit will be remainder and rest will be quotient. So 74 will be remainder, 58 will be quotient. Then come to bit number C, 35,292 divided by 100. Again 2 zeros. So 92 will be remainder and 352 will be quotient. Then come to bit number I, 4,900 divided by 1000. So it's coming 400 and 900 is remainder, because here 3 zeros. So 900 3 digit will be remainder and rest will be quotient. Then come to find the dividend. The bit number A, quotient 23, remainder 80, divisor equals to 100. So dividend formula is quotient into divisor plus remainder. Quotient is 23, remainder is 100 plus 80. It's coming 23 into 100 means 2300 plus 80. It's finally coming 2380. That's divided. Then come to bit number F. Quotient is 36,297. Remainder is 12. Divisor is 1000. So again multiply 36,297 into 1000 plus 12. It's coming 3 crore 62,97,000 plus 12. Finally the answer is 3 crore 62,97,012. Then come to exercise 2.10. Divide and check your answer. Question number 1, bit number A. It's 18,09,628 divided by 62. I have divided the question here The solution is, first you have to see 62 is the divisor and the dividend first two digit will be less than 62, so you have to take up to 3 digit. It's 180. Accordingly you have to see which number to be multiplied. So multiplied by 2 is coming 124. After subtraction it's coming 56. Then you bring 9 down, then it's 569. Again you have to think which number to be multiplied. It's 9, so 558. Then after subtraction coming 11, then again you bring 6 down, then 116, then 61, 62, 1 is 62. After subtraction coming 54, again 2 you bring down. You think which number again suitable. It's 8, so it's coming 496. After subtraction 46, again 8 you bring down. Lastly you put 7, it's coming 434, and answer is 34 remainder, and quotient is 29,187. Checking, you have to do divisor into quotient or quotient into divisor plus remainder. So finally the after multiplication and addition, the answer is same with dividend, so it's checked. Then you come to question number 2. Find the quotient and the remainder if any. That's question number 2D. Here the question, it's 1,70,09,025 divided by 835. Same way you take up to 4 digit, because 170 is less than 835, so you take up to 4 digit. Then you think which number to be multiplied by 2. It's coming 1670, means 1670. After subtraction it's coming 30, then bring 9 down. It's less than 835, so you put 0. Then here again 0 minus, it's coming same number 309. This 0 again you bring down. Then you put 3, 2505. After subtraction it's coming 585. Then bring 2 down. Then you put 7, suitable number. After multiplication it's coming 5845. Then it's coming 75. Again you put 0. Minus 0 is 75, means quotient is 20,370 and remainder is 75. Then come to question number 3. Divide A, the smallest 6-digit number by the greatest 3-digit number. Smallest 6-digit number is 1 lakh and greatest 3-digit number is 999. When you are dividing, the answer is 100, and means quotient is 100, remainder is 100. Then D, the smallest 5-digit number by the greatest 3-digit number. Smallest 5-digit number is 10,000, greatest 3-digit number 999. Again you divide, it's coming quotient 10, remainder 10. Come to exercise 2.11. Solve the following word problems. Number 1. The cost of 190 shirts is 67,640 rupees. Find the cost of one shirt. So many to 1 means you have to divide. So here is the solution. The cost of 190 shirt is this much. Cost of one shirt you have to divide. After division the answer is rupees 356. So therefore cost of one shirt is rupees 356. Come to 5 number. The product of two numbers is 29,45,442. If one of the numbers is 562, find the other number. Again to be divided. Show the solution. The product of two numbers is this. If one of the number is 562, other number you have to divide. The rough work you have to do. The answer is 5,241. Other number is 5,241. Here is the rough work. You can see it clearly. Then come to exercise 2.12. Simplify. You have to follow the rule according to the Badmas rule, but here you are doing from DMS. No, here is the bracket also. So BODMAS. B for bracket, O for off, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. Accordingly, you have to proceed. Here is the question. One number A, 6 into 15 divided by 3 plus 2. First we have to do divide, then we have to do multiply, lastly plus, means addition. So you write 6 into 15 divided by 3 is 5 plus 2. Then 6 into 5 is 30 plus 2, 32 answer. Then come to F, 20 plus curly bracket 10 minus 5 plus common bracket 7 minus 3 into 2, common bracket close, curly bracket close. You have to do the, after writing question, first you have to do common bracket work. So it's coming 7 minus 6, because common bracket there are two symbols. First you have to do multiplication. So 3 into 2, 6, 7 minus 6. Then common bracket work is over, 7 minus 6 is 1. Now in curly bracket you see there are two symbols, but it is minus. Minus 5 means before 5 it is minus, so it's negative. But plus is 10 and 1. 10 plus 1 is 11 minus 5. Then again the answer is 6. 20 plus 6 is 26. Thank you.